In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort files by date modified in Google Drive. If you've ever struggled to find the most recent version of a document or wanted to quickly check what changed in a shared folder, this simple sorting trick will save you time and frustration. We'll keep it straightforward, and I'll add helpful context so you know exactly what to expect as you go. First, sign into Google Drive. Open your web browser, go to the Google Drive website, and log in with your account. Once you're in, you'll see your files and folders. This process works the same whether you're in My Drive or inside a shared drive. The key is that you're signed in and viewing the files you want to organize. Next, navigate to the folder you want to sort. Sorting applies to whatever you're currently looking at, so make sure you're inside the specific folder where you want the order to change. If you accidentally stay on the main drive page, you'll end up sorting everything at that level instead of the particular project or client folder you had in mind. Now look toward the upper right of your file list for the sort control. It's near the top of the page on the same line as your view and info icons. You'll see a button labeled Sort, often with a small arrow indicating a dropdown. That's the control that lets you change how Google Drive orders the items you're viewing. Click the Sort button and choose Date Modified. In some layouts, Google labels this as Last Modified, which is the same idea. As soon as you select it, Drive will reorder your files and folders so the most recently changed items float to the top. Modified means the content was edited or the file itself changed, not just opened. This is especially useful in collaborative workspaces where several people are updating documents and you want a quick way to see what's new without digging through timestamps manually. If you prefer seeing the oldest items first, use the small arrow next to the sort label to flip the order. And if you're curious, there are related options like Last Modified by Me or Last Opened by Me, but Date Modified gives you the broadest picture of recent activity across the folder. That's it. Log in, go to the folder you care about, open the Sort menu, and choose Date Modified. Drive will usually remember your choice the next time you visit that folder in the same browser, making it even quicker in the future.